Let's take you to the captivating Lolab Winter Festival, a celebration that brought life, joy and unity to the heart of Kupwara district in Jammu and Kashmir. Held over the weekend, the festival was not just a tribute to the winter season, but also a resounding testament to the regional's communal harmony and cultural vibrancy. Thousands of people, both locals and visitors, came together to embrace the unique essence of this beautiful valley. Unity in diversity emerged as the central theme as people danced together to traditional beats, breaking barriers and spreading warmth amidst the winter chill. Take a look.
The picturesque valley of Kupwara district witnessed an overwhelming and unforgettable celebration of the Lolab Winter Festival at Kariwan in Dewar, Lolab. Held over the weekend, they even brought together thousands of visitors and locals, showcasing the stunning beauty and vibrant culture of the Lolab Valley. The festival promoted the region's scenic splendor and rich cultural heritage, featuring a variety of exhilarating activities.
Lot of activities were there, highlight being the cultural show. We had a good number of singers, performers over here. Sports activities, especially snow volleyball championship. So very good response from the public. More than 10,000 people have joined in the celebration of the Lolab Winter Festival.
In the display of harmony and brotherhood, the event showcased a rich array of traditional music, dance performances, local handicrafts, and activities like the Snow Volleyball Championship and skiing, alongside culinary delights that drew crowds from both near and far.
इंसानियत के नाते सब भाई भाई हैं और अल्लाह ताला ने खुद भी फरमाया है और हदीस का खुलासा भी है अल खल्क़ अयालुल्लाह, जो जितने भी लोग दुनिया के अंदर है वो किसी भी धर्म से है, वो अल्लाह की एक फैमिली है और इस फैमिली को इंसानियत की बुनियाद पर शुरू करना। इसलिए आप देख रहे हैं कि इसमें कोई पैरामीटर नहीं है, किसी भी धर्म से है, किसी भी रिलीजन से है, किसी भी कलर का है, किसी भी कास्ट का है, किसी भी इलाके का है।
Local leaders and dignitaries applauded the district administration and all stakeholders for their hard work and collaboration, which ensured the festival's success. Events like these are crucial to preserving the region's cultural heritage and to maintaining peace and harmony.